Yes, it's going to disappear.
When it hits the water.
When it gets in the water. What are the plates called? Touch trays? Or when I spill? Okay, I say it's going to disappear.
Once it hits the water.
Mr. Smith's hypothesis.
My hypothesis
Do you think salt water is different than sugar water,
Is-
guys?
Yeah, that's what it is.
that sugar is going to disappear. And this water I'm putting in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar.
Go ahead and write that down. Next step. 1/4 teaspoon of
Add
sugar.
1/4 teaspoon of sugar.
Teaspoon is how it's spelled.
Tea and then spoon.
Teaspoon.
Tea.
T,
And then
T-E-A.
spoon.
Spoon.
TEA.
Like drinking tea, yes. See? Watch him. He's trying to do magic. Make sure he's not doing anything.
Towards this
Da-da-da.
one.
So tiny.
Isn't that a cute jar? There's
Bottom.
Grayson,
Did it disappear?
Tanner, Dylan, Mr. Smith.
1 teaspoon of sugar.
Uno.
1/4.
Teaspoon of sugar. And then what did it do? Here, I'll put it right here so you guys observe. Observation. Put down observation.
Yeah, after
Go like
procedure,
banana.
next step is observation. So we're going to see what you see and find.
Oh, okay. What is the rule on that?
Okay, so observation. You know what needs help with observation?
1/4 teaspoon
Of water in a small jar.
sugar.
Right here. Remember the straw?
Yes, of sugar
And
in the small jar.
2.
2, 2, 5,